Acting auditive of a Panisagar police team intercepted a suspicious six-wheel truck registration number WB893093 at the local Naka checkpoint on Thursday. A thorough search of the vehicle led to the discovery and seizure of a massive consignment of contraband Burmese cigarette. Two individuals traveling in the truck were apprehended on the spot and taken into custody.
Oh, bye. Dada.
In a major breakthrough against trans-border smuggling, the Panisagar police intercepted a massive consignment of illicit Burmese cigarette during a routine transit operation on Thursday. Acting on precise intelligence, a law enforcement team intercepted a suspicious six-wheel commercial truck bearing registration number WB893093 at the Panisagar Naka checkpoint. A subsequent search of the vehicle led to the discovery and confiscation of the contraband Burmese cigarettes. Two individuals traveling in the truck were apprehended at the scene. They remain in custody for interrogation as authorities investigate the supply network. The detainees are currently undergoing rigorous interrogation at the Panisagar police station as authorities look to uncover the broader smuggling network. Pure report, Chini Khorang.